So for what value of a do the roots of the equation this satisfy the condition alpha by beta and beta by alpha less than equals to 2? Okay, for what value of a, see, I think I didn't give the first part. Oh yeah, given alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation. That is not mentioned in the question, but that is the normal sign convention that we take. Okay, alpha comma beta are the roots of the okay. Alpha beta are the roots of the equation 2x square plus 6x plus a is equals to 0. Okay, now alpha into beta, product of roots. Bhavna, you are having some internet problems, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is the reason why I made the class at 10 a.m. so that you guys can come offline and do the class without any problem. Okay, that is the reason why I moved it back to 10 a.m. In the morning, I am just sitting free with no classes. I made it at 10 a.m. so that you can come at least once in a week so that you will not face those problems. Okay, when you're getting dropped off for 5-10 minutes, then the whole connection is getting cut. See, alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation 2x square plus 6x plus a is equals to 0. Okay. Now, so look at this sum, Bhavna. For what value of a do the roots of the equation 2x square plus 6x plus a is equals to 0 satisfy the conditions alpha by beta plus beta by alpha less than 2? Okay, so let alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation. So alpha comma beta are the roots of this equation. Now product of roots is what? A by 2, right? As I told you, as I gave you the formula in the beginning, product of roots is what? C by A. Okay, so if you check the formula once again, or you can even check my PDF, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. What is alpha into beta? C by A. And what is alpha plus beta? Minus b by A. Okay, what is alpha into beta? C by A. What is alpha plus beta? Minus b by A. So product of roots is A by 2. And what is sum of roots? Minus 6 by 2. That is minus 3. Okay, this is what we have. It is given for what value of a will it satisfy the condition that alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is less than 2? Okay, Bhavna, were you able to do the sums that I sent earlier, like from that book?
Yes, sir, I did that.
Okay, did you get the answers? Tell me what answer you got for question number 27.
K, K is equal to half, and for number 32, it is 54.
Correct, very good, excellent. Okay, so alpha into beta is a by 2, alpha plus beta is minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3. Okay, now it is given for what value of a does it satisfy this condition? Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha less than 2. Now this can be easily solved. b square by a square minus 2a হচ্ছে less than 0, or b square by a square less than 2a, or b square by 2 is less than a cube. রিতম এই সামটা হয়েছে তোমার?
না স্যার।
আমি এখানে ভুল ভ্যালু পুট করে দিয়েছি, a b a b c d পুট করে দিয়েছি. We have the values of this. Nine minus 4 into a is greater than 9 by 2, that is this thing, and of course a is greater than 0. So a is greater than 9 by 2. Yeah, only this is the only valid option that we are getting, because a is greater than 9 by 2. It is matching with option A. See, alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation 2x square plus 6x plus a is equal to 0. All right, now alpha into beta, product of these roots will be what is given over here, c by a, so that means a by 2. Alpha plus beta, sum of the roots is given as minus b by a, so that is minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3. All right, now it is asking for what value of a do the roots of the equation this satisfy the conditions alpha by beta plus beta by alpha less than 2. So alpha by beta plus beta by alpha less than 2, so if I take the LCM alpha beta, that is equal to alpha square plus beta square less than 2. Okay, now what is alpha square plus beta square? Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta less than, this one goes over there, 2 alpha beta. 2 alpha beta comes over here, minus 4 alpha beta less than 0. What is alpha plus beta? What is alpha plus beta? Minus 3, that is minus 3 square, that is 9. Minus 4 into alpha beta, a by 2, 2 to the 4. Okay, 9 less than 2, 9 less than 2a, or 9 by 2 is greater than a. That's it, got the answer. Did you understand?
Sir, can you repeat once again?
Sure. Okay, see, alpha comma beta are the roots of this equation 2x square plus 6x plus a is equal to 0. Okay, now from formula what do we have? We have this ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, we have this ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. From here we have product of roots, that is alpha into beta. Product of roots is what? C by a, and sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta, is minus b by a. Okay, is minus b by a. So product of roots alpha into beta is c by a, and sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta, is minus b by a. Okay, now see, from this equation what will be the product of roots alpha into beta? That is a by 2. What will be the sum of the roots alpha plus beta? That is minus 6 by 2, and that is minus 3. Okay, now if I put this same expression, same value in this expression, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha less than 2, take the LCM of alpha into beta. Alpha into beta, okay, beta is common, alpha square plus again alpha is common, beta square less than 2. Okay, so a square plus b square is what? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. So alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, that is less than, so this alpha beta goes over there, it gets multiplied with 2 alpha beta. 2 alpha beta comes over here, so minus 4 alpha beta less than 0. What is alpha beta? What is alpha plus beta? The value of alpha plus beta is minus 3. Okay, so minus 3 square is 9. Minus 4 into alpha into beta is what? A by 2. Okay, less than 0. So 9 is less than, so this 2a goes that side, it becomes 2a. 9 by 2 is less than a. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Sir, the image which you have sent in the group, it's half thing is not clearly visible. So can you resend it once again?
Okay, okay, this picture which I sent now.
हाँ ये आधा कट चुका है.
Oh, अच्छा, आज तो इंटरनेट का बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. नहीं, ये जो वेडनेसडे का क्लास है, इसका एटलीस्ट
Yes.
कोशिश करो ऑफलाइन आने का. एक क्लास तो ऑनलाइन कर ही रहे हो, उसमें
हाँ
क्यों
सर,
इंटरनेट
नेक्स्ट
प्रॉब्लम
क्लास
से?
से
हाँ, क्योंकि तुम ही लोगों के लिए
नेक्स्ट क्लास से
मैंने 10
ऑफलाइन
So
बजे कर
next
करेंगे.
दिया.
week.
तुम ही लोगों का सुविधा के लिए मैंने 10 बजे कर दिया ताकि तुम लोग आ पाओ. ठीक है, इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम के लिए और कुछ नहीं. देखो, ऑनलाइन क्लास करने के लिए एक ही लैपटॉप होना जरूरी है और एक हाई स्पीड इंटरनेट होना जरूरी है. इंटरनेट अगर बार बार ड्रॉप हो जाए तो तुम्हारा कंसंट्रेशन भी बार बार कट जाएगा. ठीक है, एक बार एक समझ लो, बस ड्रॉप हो गए. अभी तुम वापस आओगे तुम पकड़ ही नहीं पाओगे कहाँ से स्टार्ट किए थे. ओके, ये वाला सम करो. नहीं तो मैं जो सुबह हम लोग 9 बजे करते थे उसी टाइम में करने से मेरा बाकी टाइम मेरा फ्री हो जा रहा है, लेकिन सुबह मेरा अभी कोई क्लास नहीं है, मैं ऐसे ही चुपचाप बैठा रहता हूँ, तुम लोगों के लिए वेट करता हूँ. Okay, try out this sum quickly. This will be a last sum for today. See, as a part of this chapter only, we will do functions because function is not a very important part of CAT. Okay, so we will not spend a lot of time in that. So we will do uh, linear equations, quadratic equations, and functions. See, I have written down also over here. Okay, at the top. General form of quadratic equation which I discussed today, sum on product of roots which I discussed and did a sum on that. Nature of roots, oh, nature of roots I have to explain, I totally forgot. Okay, don't do this sum now, let me explain you the nature of roots.